Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is staying safe and staying warm. We shall see what's inside the box. And of course, you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this here for review. Ooh, baby. Of course, these are coming from my good friends over at Redragon. This is a brand new boom Redragon King 4K Pro 26,000 DPI wireless ultra lightweight 4K eSport grade gaming mouse. Durable buttons, up to 20 million click, 5 programmable buttons, wired 2.4G or Bluetooth, an optical sensor is 3395, 4K report rate 420 or 4000 HS, super lightweight, bada boom, super lightweight this box. There they are, Redragon. Definitely check them out. They got a lot of good computer accessories for your gaming needs or your day-to-day use. A lot of good stuff. All right, let's take a look inside. Make sure you cut this. There we go. Gotta remove. Whoop. There we go. Everything comes out. Back in the box. Definitely check them out, guys. I mean, they got a lot of keyboards, gaming mouse, controllers, you name it. They have it. Got the wired right here, just in case. I like the wired more now. I used to be a Bluetooth kind of, just in case batteries die or whatnot. You got the cord. Ooh, yeah, this is super lightweight. Can't see, you got the Redragon dragon right there. RGB lights up. We got some stuff right here. What is this? Some kind of USB. There we go. Focus. I'm not sure what that is. So we got everything out of the box. But yeah, this is definitely super lightweight. See right here, you can switch it. Bluetooth off, 2G. Searching for Bluetooth connections. We're just gonna do it. There's DPI mode. Not sure if this one lights up. Nope, this is just painted on. That was RGB, but nope. Got the Bluetooth right there. DPI, everything works. Switch to 2.4G. Or like I said, you could do it this way. Have it running like that. Which I'll probably do because I got my USB hubs out. So we'll just hook this up. I'm not sure what this. Maybe extender? cell phone? Or is this make it wired? Just plug it in. I think that's what it's for. You just plug this in, it'll go off this, read off the Bluetooth. Where's the manual? Yeah, we don't need it. We'll figure it out. That's what it's all about. So we'll just do it old school way. Let me pause you guys and move over. Alright guys, we got it plugged in somewhere in that USB hub. But this is the other RGB they have, and keyboards. I like the mechanical keyboards. These are really nice to get. So like I said, click that link down below. You can always check it out and what they have available. But yeah, this works pretty smooth. And you know how to work the Bluetooth, go into your add device, any of your Bluetooth functions, and let's pop it up. Add Bluetooth. See right there. There you go. But yeah, definitely check these guys out. Like I said, great stuff coming out of Redragon for the 2024 season and many more years to come. But yeah, like I said, really nice mouse. Super quick. I'm liking it. This would be a good backup or a permanent. But I do like this one too. So like I said, check them out. See what goodies they have. But right here, that's the one to get.